All right, Gary, we're gonna go on a roundabout.
Oh yeah.
Take James, James.
Take a little ride in a MGA.
MGA, nice little car.
1958, right?
Yeah, 1950. That's old. That's old as my house.
That's
probably
as
old as you.
me.
Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm surprised we're even gonna make it around the block.
Yeah,
in
we're
this
not gonna
thing.
make it around the block. No.
It's in the same shape as you.
Yeah. Okay.
This is really, all kidding aside, really nice car though.
Oh yeah.
27,000 original miles. This car just came out of a museum. It's been in a museum for 23 years called the Zimmerman Auto Driving Museum. You could go there and have parties and they'll let you go for a ride in these classic cars. It's down near Los Angeles Airport.
Yep.
And so we picked it out of the museum because they're gonna, I guess they're changing hands or something. So we jumped on this one. It's a nice little car. It literally has less than 100 miles on the rebuild engine. So we're actually breaking it in as we speak.
Yep.
They decided to go through it.
Good, you know, for an old thing.
Yeah,
like me.
It's got non-synchronized, you know, first gear and everything like that. So
right.
you got to treat it gentle like a 1958 vehicle. But you know what? It actually it rides good, feels good.
Yeah, no, I drove it earlier and it drives fine.
It's got the you know, the spoke wheels with the knockoffs that hold them on,
yep.
Which always kind of freaked me out. But these had them. The Jags had them. This is what we decide in the color. Glacier Blue?
Yeah, Glacier Blue.
Glacier Blue with tan guts here.
Don't yell at me if I'm wrong.
Okay. It's got a black top. They're a 1500 cc
four-cylinder
little engine. Yeah, 1498 I think, something like that. 4-cylinder. Looks like a little Mini Cooper engine in there. It's funny. And it's got 4-speed transmission, of course. They didn't have they had hydraulic drum brakes back then for this car, so it's a drum brake car. But if you look at all the gauges and everything, they're in really nice shape. Everything seems to work well.
Yeah, no, it does. It just drives good. The brakes work good. I mean, you know, it's not too much horsepower.
Yeah, I think they're like 68 horsepower or something.
That much?
Top speed doesn't quite break 100. But it's a true roadster, you know? It's got the chrome windshield frame there. And it looks like $1 million going down the street. It really is a good looking car. It's got a lot of style and class, a lot of chrome on it.
And the paint looks great. Underneath the engine compartment looks great too.
Oh yeah, really nice in the engine compartment. And even the undercarriage, it's a rust-free solid car. It's got historical license plates on it. You live in California, you can keep those. No radio though, no tunes.
No, I can't hear anything.
You have to sing to yourself, I guess.
Oh no, that'd be bad.
All right, we'll take some more pictures up here. Check out this beautiful vintage 1958 MGA. Such a great looking classy car. And in the realm of these vintage sports cars like this, these are on the low end money-wise. I mean, this is a lot of car, and this is a 27,000 mile original mile car. It's been in for the last 35 years. It's been in museums. So it came from the Blackhawk collection, and recently the Zimmerman Auto Museum for the last 23 years. It kind of sat a while. You know, everybody just looks at them. They don't really drive them that much. So they went through the motor in this one. It literally has less than 100 miles on it, so we're just breaking it in ourselves, but it runs fantastic. All the brakes were just gone through, wheel cylinders, shoes, master cylinder, clutch master. It really just drives great. The paint is old and incredible, really nice. Got a couple little nicks and chips here and there. Not bad, very presentable. The wheels were completely refinished. It's got the chrome wheels, it's got a silver spare, so you got a spare wheel at least in the back. It's got a black soft top, which is in decent shape. We'll probably take pictures of that later. It also has a half tonneau, or I'm sorry, a full tonneau. We drive it when it's half down, with a zipper up the middle. Of course, left-hand drive, you know, US car, and 4-speed transmission. And it, like I said, it runs really smooth. Not a whole lot of horsepower, but these are meant to cruise. They go around corners pretty good, though, you know, for as old as they are. Also has those historical license plates for California, which I think it's a little cheaper to register them when you have that. So that's kind of nice. But overall, just an incredible looking car. Everything fits real nice. Doors, trunk, everything opens and closes real tight. And really a fun British classic car. All right, here's the power plant in the 1958 MGA. I think I had a riding lawnmower with a bigger engine than that at one point, but pretty easy to work on. Look at that. I mean, that's pretty small. Cool though. It's a 1498 cc, you know, 1.5 liter, straight 4-cylinder. It's got the dual SU carbs there, and you know, there's your heater box. I mean, you can't get much simpler than this. I mean, that's how they were. And this is a great, like I said, just less than 100 miles on a rebuild. So we're going to go ahead and fire it up for you. Chitty chitty bang bang. Pretty cool little car, sounds real good, runs real good. Walk around the back. I always like these little vents, those are kind of cool too. MGA. Little exhaust pipe there. Pretty cool. It's got a nice little muffler on that. Look at that, it's all polished stainless. Undercarriage looks great too. We'll have some undercarriage pictures for anybody that wants those. But if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. And our phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. It's over there. He's missing his ascot and scarf, but we'll get that later. All right, thanks for watching.